Hello everyone and welcome to Play With Me Toys for Kids. Today I have Dr. Drill and Phil with me, and guess what? He's gonna have new teeth today. And today we're gonna use some foam clay to build his new teeth. And I have foam clay in different colors. And I also got some Play-Doh because he's not only getting new teeth, but he's also gonna wear braces today. Isn't that exciting? Well, I don't know if he likes it, but we're gonna enjoy it. So the braces are gonna be done with Play-Doh and the actual teeth are gonna be done with the foam clay. So let me show you this. We're gonna start with the yellow clay, and here's the cast to do the teeth. So let's go ahead and grab some of this foam clay. Oh, I love foam clay. It's fascinating that it has those small dots or small balls. Okay, so we're gonna put the clay in this mold. And then we need to press it. And okay, so here is the yellow tooth. We need to take this off. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's decent. Open your mouth, and here goes the first tooth. Okay. Where is the second one? Over here. There we go. I think this one looks better. Okay, that one is gonna go in the front. Let's see. What color should we use next? Purple? Yeah, let's use this one. Dr. Drill and Phil is gonna have super colorful teeth. Okay, let's put this here. Maybe it's gonna... is that enough? It might be enough. Okay. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe we need more. Oh, I think it might have worked. Oh. Well, yeah. Yeah, I think this is acceptable, right? Let's put it here in the front. Okay, cool. And then, where's the other one? Here. I think we need a little bit more clay for that other one, but that's okay, we gotta fix it. Here it is. Now let's press it. Awesome, look at this. It turned out very well. So that one goes here. Okay, now let's move on to blue. Okay, and this time we know better and we're gonna get more clay. Perfect, here it is. Let's spread it here in this mold and press it. Oh, yeah, this is much better. Let's just take it out carefully. Get rid of the extra. Yep. This is a very good tooth. Woohoo! Great. And this other one turned out well as well. That can go in there, perfect. Cool, so we just need 2 more to be done with the bottom teeth. So what color do we want to use? Let's see. How about pink? Yeah, let's use this one. Oh, this is almost neon. Seems like it glows. There we go, press. Oh wow, this turned out even better. Huh, cool. Okay, this one is gonna go here. And the other one has a special place here in the front. Great. Yeah, it goes right here. Awesome. Okay, so now we're just gonna do 4 teeth at the top. We're not gonna do all of them because see, when we close it, it's like weird. So we're just gonna do the 4 frontal ones. And for that, let's use some black foam clay. Yeah. Dr. Drill and Phil is gonna get black teeth. At least only 2. There's foam clay in almost every color. That's really cool. Okay, so here we go. We just need to make the teeth. I think that's enough, and we're just gonna press. And okay, there we go. A very black teeth. And see, if we put it here in the back, when we close it, it's not gonna close, but we can leave it there for now. Okay, here's the other one. This one turned out better. See, it's not closing. So this one, I guess we can put it here in the front. Okay, so this one, oh, it got stuck. Oops, okay. Well, yeah, this one we're gonna put it here in the front too. That way the mouth can be closed. Yep, there we go. Okay. Let's see. For the other 2, I think... Oh, I need to close this. Otherwise it's gonna dry out. Oopsie. Okay, so we're gonna use red for the other teeth. We're just gonna do 2 more. And then we can get started with the braces. Okay, there we go, and press. Oh, this turned out well. Okay, now that we removed the extra, we can put it there. Where's the other one? Right here. It's a good shape too. Okay, so let's close this foam clay and put the tooth here. Awesome! So Dr. Drill and Phil is all set with his teeth. We didn't put the top back ones because it wouldn't fit, the mouth wouldn't close, but we're gonna do some braces on the bottom ones. And for that we're gonna use the Play-Doh, so let me bring it. Yeah, we're gonna use this green one. Oh, Play-Doh is so soft. Okay. And the green is gonna serve as the braces itself, and then we're gonna use oh, this is not working very well. Oh, there it is, there it is. Okay, yeah, it's actually working. Okay. There goes one. Oh, and this other one stayed here. Oh, I see. Two. There we go, three. That looks funny. Wait, we need to align it. There we go. Now we need to flatten this out one more time. Okay, I think we are ready for the brace machine. I call it this way. The brace machine. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, it formed some. Oh, this one, it's cool. The brace is cool. Okay, so we have 4 braces so far. I think we can do the whole bottom. That would be cool. And I would like to know, do any of you guys wear braces right now? Are you wearing them right now? Do you already had some braces, or what's going on? Okay, I think we're gonna just leave it with those 4 and see how it works. And we're gonna grab some red Play-Doh to serve as the wire. Okay, and we're gonna roll it until it's very, very thin. Yeah, so we need to keep rolling a little bit more. I think, yeah, like just like this. Okay, now I think we got it. I just need to put the wire through the braces, or just in between. Yeah, there we go. I need to make it stay. There we go. So Dr. Drill and Phil has some braces at the bottom, and yeah, his teeth are gonna be even prettier after the braces. So in the top we only used 4 teeth, and they are black and red. In the bottom we have different colors, and there's room for the tongue. Well, the tongue is over there. Oh no, the braces kind of broke the wire. There. So his teeth on the top are really straight, so they don't need braces. That's why we only use braces on the bottom front teeth. So the molars don't really have braces. So that's cool. But anyway, write in the comments below what you think of this. Did you like it? What do you think of Dr. Drill and Phil's new braces and new teeth? Write it in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I really like this game, and I love how we incorporate some foam clay as well. Thank you for watching Play With Me Toys for Kids. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye!